So hey guys, I've made a video in like 2 weeks now. I've had plenty of stuff to upload. Just had some problems uploading it with storage and stuff. I got too much stuff to upload. But so I cut this tree down yesterday, and I forgot to film it. But I've cut this all up, and I just have that to do. And then we also you know, just have a little fire going in a little bit, and then also probably in another video or the same video, we might have a really long video, you never know. We're gonna be taking those trees down, and then eventually those two trees, and we're gonna have a building over there and stuff. So I'm probably gonna sit y'all up on a time lapse or something. But also I want to talk about some stuff I got here recently. Y'all probably saw it in a short. Oh, there's the tree. She didn't have too much hardwood on this side. I had to bore cut her, and I bore cut her with another bar, and then it was like, so I ended up cutting her with a MS-250 for some reason, because the rest of everyone went sharp. So you can see where I bore cut it right here, and I had a little bit of hinge, but that's kind of what I wanted to do, because I wanted to go this way, because I didn't want to have it in those trees over there. I wanted it to be in this nice flat piece right here, so it did good. So on to what I was talking about. The G466 from Holz Pharma. I got the West Coast Saw Bark Box 3-point dogs on there. I love this saw. It's a really nice saw. It rips. I got it a little rich, so yeah. I got it like 2 turns on the high, and then a turn and a quarter on the low, because didn't want it to, just wanted to be nice and rich. But I mean, I got the Rakers at 50,000, and she's got a fresh grind on her from the Oregon chain grinder. That'll be another video coming soon, and she rips. Now with the Raker so low, if you try to dog her in like right off the bat and don't let her eat for a second, get those RPMs up in the wood, she will bog down immediately. But once she reaches a certain RPM, and with the Raker so low, you can really just dog her in and she just eats. And then the 660, it's a different saw now. It's got a 32-inch bar on it. It's got the uni filter and from Red Bear Saws on it, the Versa Stack or whatever. It's got the Bark Box on it. Something I'll be getting for it soon is probably the West Coast Saw. Clutch cover and dogs for it as well. And it's just a monster too. It's got the highway cylinder in it with the Meteor piston, and then I have an extra Pharmatech cylinder and piston for it too. Just I've had it blown up a lot, so just in case. But yeah, so I'm gonna put y'all on the tripod, and I'm just gonna get to work cutting this up. Oh, we also got a Ranger too for the business, Southern Firewood. She's nice. Got a load of, there's the rest of the wood in her. She's got a few scratches, well, a lot of scratches, but she's a work truck, so. Got some nice wood in there. Got her loaded down. So, alrighty. I'll put you on the tripod and we'll get to it.
that, gives you be a little more than that, but that's just a general idea.
Yeah. We'll see how it turns out. We can always trim a little bit.
I would get right here.
Yeah.
Try to
Just stand there.
probably go like that, a little low, you know.
Yeah.
Or you can even be at a little bit of angle because this side's gonna be higher than this side. So at least get on that cut.
Yeah. Alright. Let's see what happens.
I'll be right here, baby.
Huh?
I'll be right here. Hey, hold on a second. Let me cut this cord.
What's that from?
Looks like cables. Wait, I don't have to cut it.
Yeah. uneven. That's nice.
Not bad.
If we went in the dirt a little bit more, we could probably get another one. Maybe.
Maybe.